Hi guys, we just got here. Oh, thank you. We just got here. We thought we were coming to eat, but little did we know we were coming to observe
a Jeff project.
Another stupid idea from Jeff. So we're not eating on the griddle, are we, Jeff? No.
We can test it. We can test it.
Test it? We know the griddle works.
What's the plan?
Well, we all hate cooking on the deck in the dark, right?
Correct. Yes, we do.
Sometimes, you know, the deck light gives you a little bit of light, but you can never really see.
Good enough.
So my idea is I got all this stuff from my daughter's bedroom when I put some LED strips around her room, like everybody does. But I bought
not like everybody does. For the record, all you parents out there who have teenagers who said, oh, I want to stick up LEDs on the walls, none of us bought custom aluminum channel and screwed it to the wall to run the LEDs in. We all did. You know what you did. You peeled the back off and you stuck it to the wall.
I have 2 bedrooms at home. I have it all over it.
So anyways, like most of us did, you bought the aluminum tracks with the
Nobody did.
No.
Nobody did.
So I got extras of these hanging around. When I did Chris and Nate's sign that I got them for Christmas, I got a metal sign right here that I cut out. I put on a piece of wood. Well, I didn't want to do that for mine, so I figured, why not run not heat-resistant LED lights
Not heat resistant.
all around the inside of the cover.
These are non-high temp LED lights that we're gonna put right over the griddle, right in the heat zone, by the way, because this is gonna be right where the heat rolls around the edge.
So without failure, you can never really succeed.
It's true.
Thank you, Confucius.
So, in the comments, tell us if you think this is gonna be a fail, success.
Hey, my question is, are you gonna come back at some point and let everybody out there know whether or not they completely melted or not?
Yeah, but on our next video, you're gonna know. They're either gonna work or they're not gonna work.
Yeah, you might see it one time in this video and then never again.
Guys,
we'll have to see.
I got some tricks up my sleeve, so we'll get right to it. I already started this. I wasn't planning on filming.
It's gonna look awesome if it works.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna look pretty cool.
Right up until we cook on the griddle. It's gonna be
And
perfect.
it's gonna have all the modes like the kids do in the room, right? All the different flashing, different colors.
So while he does that, what do
If you want to watch us do this awesome idea, bring it to life.
I think we should just let the camera roll, head down to the bar.
Oh, let's do that. That's a great idea. Hey, Jeff, we'll be back.
Actually, we'll take one camera with us, and we'll leave one here, and
Nice.
we'll keep going back and forth.
I like it. Sold. We'll be here in Sperry.
Get to work, Jeff.
So I cut those pieces to length, and I drilled holes in them.
And painted.
And painted, as you can see in the clips there. And then I ended up just clamping this up here and drilling it right through. So what I'm gonna do now, just throw some screws in this and then figure out what I'm gonna do or how I'm gonna attach the lights. Because they're sticky, but I have some wire insulation for down below to hopefully make these things last longer than a day or one cook. But let's see here.
What's the over under, Nate?
I'm taking the under.
You taking the under on them what though? Like
I think
5 cooks, 10 cooks?
I think if he preheats it and leaves the lid down for any more
This
than
is either gonna
5 minutes.
This is gonna work or it's not right out of the gate. Guaranteed. There's
Well,
no way.
let's say it does work. How long is it going to last to work?
It'll last forever.
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 Bold words. Bold words.
All right, so it may not last forever, but
Longer than the patina on the griddle?
yeah.
Do I see some holes that you drilled by accident?
These? No, that's for the handle.
All right.
Come on, Chris. I don't make mistakes.
I was wondering. Threw me for a loop. No way Jeff would do that by mistake.
All right, so really the only thing that will really fail on this, besides it being an $8 set of LEDs that I got from Amazon that came from God knows where, that are battery operated, besides that being the failure point, the heat is the only other concern. So this is spark plug wire cover or insulation. This is the only thing I spent money on. It was like $18 for this. This is what you use under the hood of your car if you want to use something close to your exhaust or something to that effect. So I'm optimistic.
Do you want to measure that like before you cut it?
No, why would I do that?
Whole measure twice, cut once theory?
Do you want a real razor blade? Maybe some scissors?
You know what I wasn't thinking of? This is like a fortified fiberglass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really tough.
Yeah, you're going to cut yourself.
Yeah, anyways.
That didn't fray at all.
No, yeah.
Yeah, you can singe it now with your... Should have brought the grill blazer. So, did you order that online or did you buy that at Home Depot?
I bought it at a car automotive store.
You did.
Yeah,
What about just scissors from the house?
could do that.
The same stuff they have around your oven, right?
Yeah, similar.
Your oven glass.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so now
Amazing what using the right tool does.
this is the tricky part.
Is that supposed to fit inside that little collar?
Yeah, that was the idea with that, but might be a little snug. This is a shrink wrap.
Can I make a suggestion?
No.
Oh, okay.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking,
Well, you guys are exactly alike.
let me see. What if you,
So if we do that, and then I got to put the lens in too before I shrink wrap it.
so I'm thinking, can I take this off? You're not too far into it, right? What if we,
So she said,
if we slip this on first? How'd you get that on there?
Careful, it's unphrased real easy.
Yeah, get it on there and we shove the whole thing up and then you pull it through with the narrow end.
So I can only go up to there because that's my screw hole right there.
Yeah, but you can pull it, there's no screw in there now, right?
No.
So see how this is narrow?
Yeah.
So if you bunch it all up on here and then slip that on.
Well, this
right?
is just because it's taped shut.
Yeah, but then you can slip that through.
Oh
right?
yeah, there you go.
And pull it all
Are
the
you
way
getting
back.
this? Are you getting any of this?
it's all on there.
See, he didn't
It
want
looks like you're looking at the corner over there.
he didn't want my suggestion, but you can do the rest.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's all right. All right, so we're gonna go with that, just because I don't want Nate to get upset if I don't take his ideas. All right, so we got that on that side. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, using Nate's little trick.
Wait a minute, you gotta light this from both sides? It's not
No.
just one power feed?
So I'm gonna run it up into it, and then down the other side, back down underneath the griddle, because it's like 10 feet of lighting.
So where's the disco ball gonna hang?
Somewhere, it's gonna be under. So now I'm just gonna put a snake through here so I can pull the,
Get some vinyl tape or something? No.
Black tape.
thank you.
Let's go ahead and do anything.
Chris is now gonna take credit
Amazing.
for this whole build.
I'm gonna go take a break. Amazing.
So now, there we go, pull that through. Oh, watch out for the tip. Jeez.
Am I good?
More. All right, so now we're gonna stick the LED down to the track once I cut it.
Food smells good, huh, Nate?
Oh, you want me to go get the hamburgers? All right, so we got the LED light pulled through. Now we're just gonna pull off the sticky on the back here and stick it to the track.
Yes, and a lot of people watching are very familiar with these lights.
Right?
You get the kids put them in the rooms. You got people throw them under cabinets, right? Same way.
Yeah, cabinets, kickboards, countertops.
Countertops.
That's what's nice about them. They're so small. You can kind of put them everywhere.
Golf
as long as-
carts.
As long as you're willing to put in the effort.
And now griddles.
Now griddles.
Now griddles, that's right.
Who would have thunk?
Might be the first time you ever see it on a griddle.
Might be the last too.
Jeff, I really do like your moxie, buddy. I
Hey
like it.
Dad, why does my steak and cheese taste like melted plastic?
Because it's special, son, because it's special. Gotta kind of tuck it in the corners there. I think once you guys see this lens go over this track system,
I'm sure we would be amazed. We
you'll
might not
all
tell
agree
you,
that you'll be amazed.
Are we gonna test it first? We should have probably tested.
We
before
probably
did that. Anybody?
No, it was bought on Amazon
Yeah,
for,
okay,
for
what
$8.
could go wrong?
What could go wrong? All right.
All right, we're gonna do a quick test. Do a quick test first to make sure that works.
Hey!
I knew they would work. All right, so I did not cut the lenses
Pretty
yet.
good.
Snap that in.
Now, let me ask, are the plastic lenses high temp?
Absolutely.
Those aren't gonna melt. It is plastic.
Jeff, I really admire your moxie with this project.
You know,
I
you
really
guys,
do.
Like I said, how are we gonna know if it was gonna work for everyone else if we don't try it ourselves? We're making the
You
sacrifice.
can't succeed unless you fail, Jeff.
We're making the sacrifice for the community.
Takes a few broken eggs to make an omelet, Chris.
Sure does.
That's right. See?
Let's see what that light looks like now, Nate.
I don't want to ruin Jeff's gusto.
I think we're gonna like it better without. I don't want the plastic piece. You should talk about this cover, Jeff. Where you got it?
Hey, he's concentrating, man. He's concentrating. Can't you smell it?
Because I already see like hundreds of people saying,
Hundreds, thousands.
Why don't I just get you to build me one?
Because this is a fun
Actually, we can actually do an assembly line on this. Won't take that long.
You want to send Jeff into a panic? Let's start cutting the last lens.
Yeah. I got like 185 feet of it left, so. I bought enough to do my daughter's 10 by 10 bedroom and a commercial properties.
What, you put these on her outside in her bedroom? You do these too?
This is what he did instead of just sticking them to the paint.
No, I understand the backing for the back, but why do you need to do that outside?
Oh, the lens cover?
That way you don't see all the
Did you
dots
do
as
them?
much. Yeah, it's softer.
He's not anal.
Okay. I got you.
Yeah.
All right.
Looks more
Yeah,
professional.
it definitely does, I'm sure. In my kids' room, they're nice and wavy, stuck to the paint, peeling off in some spots. Go big or go home, Chris. Go big or go home. The suspense, Chris, the suspense is building for me here.
All right, what's up next?
Now we got to try and slide those heat.
Cringe him?
Yeah.
Cringe them, yeah. We don't gotta heat shrink them, Chris. We gotta
Let's
cringe
take a
them.
break on this before we. We're kind of sliding our little shrink wrap up here. Kind of seal the ends. I wonder if we should do that or if we should do something a little less aggressive.
You're pretty good at keeping the flame on this down when you want. So what we're trying to do is get the shrink wrap right in the perfect spot to catch all the frayed ends
And still stay on.
and still stay on the track. You got it, Jeff. You got it. Now we just have to make sure Jeff doesn't overheat everything and melt everything. At least until we get it on the griddle. Then it's probably
Aren't
gonna
you
melt.
supposed to heat?
It's all high temp product.
It is not all high temp product.
No sound, no fun. He melted a little bit of the plastic, Nate.
Oh,
That's it. That's the spot right there.
whoa, hold on. Spin the camera.
Yeah. Didn't melt the plastic either, jerk.
Maybe you dirtied it. Oh, perfect. Done, dude.
Is the end on the cord end shrunk up enough? Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
it is, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
That is it.
You want me to pull on it, make sure?
No. No. All right. Let's take this to the griddle. Guaranteed to work.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
I agree with him. Right
Grab
up
a
until
side.
we light the griddle.
Jeffina.
I like it, Jeff. You got a little bit of spacing between the cord and the griddle.
Oh yeah.
Not a lot, but, but there's some there.
I don't know if this is battery or not. It does.
Wait, I'm gonna shut the lights off first, Jeff. Want me to shut the lights
Sure.
off?
Sure.
Oh, here we go. Look at that. We got the strobing griddle LEDs. So there's what, 8 settings on this, Jeff?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. I think that deserves a done, Jeff.
That's awesome.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Here,
Look at
in
the
case you guys were wondering, that's Jeff's face.
look at the
Yeah,
underglow. You see the underglow?
Oh yeah, underneath too. Right where you're,
This takes me back to the Mustangs in high school.
All right, guys. I think we're all in the black here for filming.
Well, nicely done, Jeff.
Yeah.
Hopefully it lasts.
Yeah, we'll throw some burgers on. We'll see what it is. But we're not going to film that.
Jeff finished up. Threw some burgers on. I'm actually gonna. I want to touch it. We're okay.
Don't touch
We're
it.
okay.
Oh, that's pretty warm.
Oh, when you go down. As you go down, it's getting hot and hotter.
All right.
So that is getting hot right now.
Here's the thing, guys. Like and subscribe and tune in to, maybe not the next video, because next up is going to be me cooking on my griddle. But by the time,
Yes.
actually, we'll maybe mention that. But we'll get back to you and let you know if
Yeah.
this melts or not.
It's going to be fine.
It's probably going to be fine.
Bought it on Amazon.
$8.
Like,
Take a run.
subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Cheers.
See you in the next video.